Professor Yajnanarayana, Professor Banerjee, Professor Biswas, Professor Dhar, Professor Dept, distinguished guests and many dignitaries who have come here, members of the faculty, students and all the delegates who have come to this conference. First of all, it's my great pleasure and honor to be part of this conference. This conference, as you know, is based on the unique strength that not only this institute, but very particularly this department holds, both in the areas of VLSI and Signal Processing. I really do not want to educate you on what is the importance of signal processing, etc., etc. It would be fairly foolish for me to do so. The unfortunate thing for me as I was entering and I was telling everybody is that all my teachers addressing me very augustly as professor, distinguished, etc., etc. I find it absolutely funny and embarrassing. And being a computer scientist, and computer scientists, as you know, are very informal. Because of this conference, I put on this coat and came. So I thought that I must be a little better dressed for more august gatherings. So, and the unfortunate thing for me is that, I have to do this, and instead of listening to Professor Yajnanarayana's talk, I have to go and again say something in an entrepreneurship summit where I am the chief guest, after which I have to go to the library where I am chief guest, and after that, and go and talk about things that I really don't know. So what really pleased me was that this conference is just not yet another VLSI and Signal Processing conference. It has got some very interesting themes. The themes of space, the themes of life science, and all these themes are very critical for IIT Kharagpur. And these are areas where we really want to fund, where we really want to grow. I have only two requests for the people who are organizing this conference. Nowadays, we have a lot of changes coming out in this world. And I would like to see something very futuristic. So if Professor Banerjee and the others agree, I think I would like to announce a challenge to all the participants, open challenge to all the participants, to come up with either singularly or in groups a 2-page futuristic concept on VLSI and signal processing. Not yet another adaptive filter which does this magic. We all know that. Come up with something magical, a concept note which does not have to be implementable immediately. But I would request, especially the students, like you do in Kitties and Springfest and all, you come up with outrageous things, trying to link either applications or technology or new science and come up with that. And I would request Professor Banerjee not to participate in it, but to identify a team which will announce the best prizes for this. And if it is reasonable, and has at least one person of our institution working on it, and it is something that you want to implement over the next 1 or 2 years, then I give you the assurance that we will fund it. So over these few days, please declare a competition. I know, Raja, I think you can just organize this and announce this competition. The other challenge, because Professor Yajnanarayana is here, that is why I am even getting more bold to give this challenge, and Dr. K.S. Dasgupta and others are here. The challenge is that in India, national integration can be done in many ways, by singing Jana Gana Mana, by doing. One way of trying to connect everybody to everybody else is a problem at the heart of signal processing. That is, if I speak over the phone to somebody in Tamil Nadu, real time that person should hear it in Tamil. And that person will reply to me in Tamil and I should hear it real time in Bengali. If IIT Kharagpur is willing to take up this project, and if it is required to collaborate with anybody, a lot of people are here, and Prof. Yagnanayana and Diane of Speech Processing is here. If we want to do this, and if this challenge is to be taken up, then this also I am committed to funding, because this is a problem of creative. So other than this, I would like to really see what is the outcome of these two. And I'm sure that there will be a lot of sessions. And I see Professor Gautam Sahar continuously recording everything. I'm sure everything will be put up on YouTube, especially all the lectures and all the other documentation. So I won't go back on my word, don't worry. So I welcome again all of you. And really, as I told you, I do not want to carry cold to Newcastle and talk VLSI and Signal Processing in front of all the people I see. You know, it's scary. Now I'll tell you how scary things are when you try to talk on a topic even you know. C.V. Raman used to talk in Calcutta University. And one day he was explaining something and then he stopped. He says that this boss is sitting there and smiling at me. I must be saying something wrong. Satyam Boss was sitting there. He says that you please cover your face and listen to me. So Satyam Boss covered his face. He said, "Are Baba, theek ache, okay." So it is like that. Therefore, I really do not want to talk signal processing. I wish everybody all the very best and wish this conference the very best.